2 weeks ago, Rivian replaced what used to be its base configuration of the R1T truck. Now the new cheapest version has 2 motors and 260 miles range. That puts it in close competition with Ford's Lightning. That's also with 2 motors and 230 miles range. But there's one catch. The Lightning costs only $39,000, while the R1T costs $67,000. What is more surprising, not only is the Lightning nearly $30,000 cheaper, it actually has these 5 things the R1T don't. We're talking about just the base configuration with nothing extra added.
Number 1.
A humongous Frunk. If you think the R1T's Frunk carries an element of surprise, think again, because Lightning's Frunk is 3 cubic feet larger, has 4 outlets that the R1T doesn't, and doesn't have part of the front of the car that is the front grille that you have to lift your heavy luggage over. And it's also power up down. That's practicality.
Number 2.
Intelligent backup power.
If the lights go out at home, rest easy. Your Ford F-150 Lightning automatically begins powering your home when connected to the 80 amp Ford Charge Station Pro and Home Integration System. So the Ford Charge Integration Pro is over here. And actually, not only can this Charge Station Pro feed power to your truck, it can also allow power to flow from the battery into your house through it. This is made possible by a technician that comes to your house and is said to be able to power your house for up to 3 days. That is using the extended battery. So I believe with a smaller battery, you should still be able to power your house for 1 to 2 days on a 30 kilowatt hour per day usage.
Number 3.
Full-size spare tire. So Ford has this full-size spare tire that comes as standard, even on the cheapest option, that's mounted beneath the truck. If you go to the configurator on the Ford's website, you can actually see that there's a little spare tire underneath it. So if you go with the base configuration, the 67,000 version, and you have the included 21-inch roll wheel, and if you want a full-size spare tire, you gotta pay $750. However, if you upgrade to the 22-inch Sport Dark, for example, that costs $35,000 extra. Then you have to pay $1,000 for the full-size spare.
Number 4.
1 foot longer bed. The whole body of the Lightning is exactly a foot longer than R1T, and that extra length is all in the bed. R1T makes up for some of that bed shortness with its tailgate. So with the tailgate folded down, it's actually the carrying platform is about the same length for both.
Number 5.
No charge for every color except red. But that's Lightning, and the red only costs $495, which is still expensive. Whereas with Rivian's R1T and all these colors now cost extra, except for LA Silver.